Unlock the power of clean with our roundup of the best gas pressure washers available today. If you like more videos like this, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in tech trends. Now let's kick off our journey into finding the perfect gas pressure washer for your needs, whether for home or professional use. At the number 3 spot is the SIMPSON Cleaning 3400 PSI gas pressure washer. This beast of a machine is a homeowner's dream for outdoor cleaning tasks. With its powerful 208 cubic centimeters engine, it effortlessly blasts away dirt and grime from patios, decks, and more. The SIMPSON Cleaning 3400 PSI model isn't just about power. It's designed with durability in mind. Featuring a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump and quality accessories like the MoreFlex hose and various nozzle tips, it's built to last and handle multiple cleaning tasks with ease. Its steel frame and pneumatic wheels make maneuverability a breeze, ensuring you can take on any cleaning challenge around your property. For more details about the SIMPSON Cleaning 3400 PSI gas pressure washer, check out the product link in the description box. Ranked at number 2 is the SIMPSON PowerShot 3300 PSI gas pressure washer. This powerhouse is a favorite among professionals for its reliability and performance. Equipped with a Honda GX200 engine, it delivers exceptional power for commercial cleaning tasks, such as paint prep and wood restoration. The PowerShot is not just about raw power. Its AAA industrial triplex plunger pump and power boost technology ensure it delivers high pressure consistently, making quick work of tough stains and debris. Durability is also a key feature, thanks to its welded steel construction and corrosion-resistant finish. Complete with high-quality accessories like the kink-resistant MoreFlex hose, this model is designed to meet the rigorous demands of professionals. For more information about the SIMPSON PowerShot 3300 PSI gas pressure washer, check out the product link provided in the description box. At the top of the list is the Westinghouse WPX 3400 gas pressure washer. When it comes to combining power, efficiency, and ease of use, this model stands out from the rest. It's perfect for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks, from deep cleaning driveways to washing cars and patio furniture. The WPX 3400 is powered by a robust 212 cubic centimeters 4-stroke Westinghouse OHV engine, ensuring a consistent 3,400 psi and 2.6 GPM of cleaning power. Not only does it have a durable construction and never flat wheels for increased mobility, but it also comes with an array of accessories, including a Superflex hose and multiple nozzles for every cleaning need. To learn more about the Westinghouse WPX 3400 gas pressure washer, see the product link in the description box. And that wraps up our exploration into the world of gas pressure washers, a tool that turns tough cleaning tasks into a breeze. If you found this video helpful or interesting, go ahead and hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, ensuring you never miss out on our latest tips and reviews. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.